Hey, what's up? It's Spaz the Magician, and yes, this camera is pointed at my kitchen floor because the final pieces of my computer came today, so that's what's all on the kitchen table. But before I show you this, I'm just letting you know that I'm making a video later on tonight that goes over each component, the cost of it, and things like that. So the point of this video, in conjunction with the magic lesson, is to first see if you can figure out how much all of this stuff cost. With the exception of 3 things on this table, every single part is brand new, so I'll be going over that now. So ignore the dishwasher. That I covered that for this video. That's getting installed over there today. That's not part of this. So anyway, okay, so this is an H7 Flow. It's made by NZXT. This is an Asus Tough Gaming Z690 plus Wi-Fi motherboard. It's DDR5. These are the components I was waiting on. There are 5 fans that are going to go in this case. Silent Wings Pro 4, made by a company called Be Quiet. This is one of the components that's not new, but I did get it brand new. It's a Corsair RM1000X power supply. This is the cooler I'm going to be using for my CPU. And this is made by Arctic Air, or Arctic I should say. It's Liquid Freezer 2. It's 240 millimeter. This is a i9 13900K. There's several different models of this. This is a Thermalright BCF, which is a bend correction frame. It's an official Thermalright one. This is the other component. This is the second component that's used, which is the Founders Edition NVIDIA RTX 3090 Ti graphics card. While we're on the subject of used, this is a old Samsung SSD 850 EVO. I got this a long time ago. I've had this for literally almost 10 years. So I got this. I'll give the price of this afterwards. But this is when SSDs were first coming out, so I got a really good deal on that one. This is Kingston Fury Renegade Silver. There's 2 versions of this. One is 6400. I'm sorry, one is 6000 MTS. The other is 6400. This is the higher version of that. This is a Kingston Fury Renegade NVMe. And I'll see if I can get the thing on here. It's PCIe 4.2. You can find that. It's Kingston Fury. This is a Lian Li graphics card anti-sag bracket. I'll explain what all of this stuff is later, but I just want to let you know that this also has to do with the graphics card. This is put out by Corsair. It's a direct cord that goes from this, the graphics card, to the power supply unit. And then I just bought some secondhand Thermalright, I bought some secondhand thermal paste, which is Arctic Silver 5. And then there's just zip ties. That's basically it for now. I'll be going over each individual component, but the first thing I want to teach you about this is pricing. So again, later on when I start these videos, I'm going to go over each individual component and explain to you where I got it from and how I did the pricing and stuff like that. So for now, in the description below this video or the comment section, see if you can figure out how much all of this stuff costs combined. Oh, Spaz the Magician signing out. Talk to you later.